Unveiling Nightcap. More than just a hat. Hello language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving deep into an interesting English phrase that's more than meets the eye. Nightcap. By the end of this video, you'll not only know its meaning but also how and when to use it in conversation. When you hear the word nightcap, you might first think of a hat or a covering, especially because the word cap is involved. Historically, a nightcap was a close-fitting cap worn in bed, especially in colder climates or in the old days to keep one's head warm. This is the literal meaning of the term. Now, let's explore a more modern and common use of the word. In today's English, if someone invites you for a nightcap, they're not offering you a hat. A nightcap usually refers to a drink, typically alcoholic, taken before going to bed. It's believed to help some people relax or sleep better. For example, "Would you like to come in for a nightcap?" is a polite offer of a drink at the end of an evening out. Like many phrases in English, context is crucial. If you're at a historic reenactment and someone talks about a nightcap, they might be referring to the hat. But in a modern-day setting, especially in a social context, it's more likely about the drink. As always, if in doubt, axe. It's a great way to learn and to make sure you're on the same page as the speaker. There you have it. From head-warming hats to bedtime beverages, nightcap is a delightful term with a rich history. We hope this video illuminated its meanings for you. Until next time, keep exploring the nuances of the English language and happy learning.